There will be at least 6 special elections to the United States House of Representatives in 2021. During the 117th United States Congress, elections are listed by date and district. Republican Representative-elect Luke Letlow died on December 29, 2020 before taking office. His seat was left vacant at the start of the next session of Congress. A special nonpartisan election was called by Governor John Bel Edwards for March 20, 2021. Despite a large field of Republican candidates, the election was won by Letlow's widow, Julia Letlow, who won a majority of the vote outright, eliminating the need for a runoff. Incumbent Democrat Cedric Richmond resigned on January 15, 2021 to join the Biden administration, becoming the director of the White House Office of Public Liaison and a senior advisor to the president. A special nonpartisan election was called by Governor John Bel Edwards for March 20, with a runoff scheduled for April 24. No candidate reached the 50% threshold needed to win the first round on March 20. Troy Carter and Karen Carter Peterson both qualified for the April 24 runoff. Carter defeated Carter Peterson in the runoff 55% to 45%. Incumbent Republican Ron Wright died on February 7, 2021. A special nonpartisan election to fill the seat was called by Governor Greg Abbott for May 1, with a runoff on July 27. No candidate reached the 50% threshold necessary to win the first round on May 1. Susan Wright and Jake Ellzey qualified for the runoff. Incumbent Democrat Deb Haaland was nominated to become the U.S. Secretary of the Interior for the Biden administration and has been confirmed by the Senate. She resigned from her seat on March 16, 2021. Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham called a special election to be held on June 1. Incumbent Democrat Marcia Fudge was nominated to become U.S. Secretary of Housing and Urban Development for the Biden administration and was confirmed by the Senate. She resigned from her seat on March 10, 2021. Governor Mike DeWine is responsible for calling a special election to fill the remainder of Fudge's 8th term. Primaries will be held on August 3 with the general election to follow on November 2. Incumbent Republican Steve Stivers resigned on May 16, 2021. Primaries will be held on August 3 with the general election to follow on November 2.